Welcome friends to WeekEnder channel. Today's episode is on RAM upgrade of my Acer laptop. This laptop is a very lightweight touchscreen Acer R11 laptop ideal for travel. However, this has only one RAM slot and support maximum 8GB. So I have to replace my existing 4GB module with a new 8GB module. I have purchased the RAM from Amazon India. I have provided the link below for your easy reference. Please make sure RAM type and maximum capacity as per your laptop configuration before buying. So first unplug it from the power source. We have 12 screws right here. So let's start unscrewing them all. Now once all the screws are up, let's pull the back cover gently. Collect the screws so that you do not lose them. Once we open the back cover, we can find the RAM hidden under the plate. Remove the plate to get the RAM slot. There will be only one slot for my laptop. Press the clip outward and the RAM will pop up. Then you can pull it off. Then you can install the new RAM. This is our new RAM of 8GB. You can see the little slot right there. It will fix back in the same way. Once fitted in the slot, push it back and you can hear the clip sound. Alright, now put back the plate on top of the RAM. Next, all we need is to put the back cover. Make sure the cover is properly placed before you can put the screws. You can hear the clip sound. Now run all the screws down. All done. Now let's verify that it works. So let's start the laptop and go to the BIOS. Here you can see the RAM is now showing 8GB. Let's start the Windows and verify there as well. Here we go. Hope you will like this episode of WeekEnder. Please subscribe, like and share WeekEnder channel. I will come back soon with some new exciting stories. Till then, goodbye, stay safe, keep traveling.